अगर आप IMD की रेगुलर फोरकास्ट को फॉलो करते हैं तो इट वाज इशूड फर्स्ट on 26th of February that the maximum temperature over Goa is going to be higher than the normal values in the first week of March, particularly from 1st March to 4th March. So in that period there were days when maximum temperatures were recorded around 37.8 degrees up. And then on 5th March IMD ने ये forecast issue किया कि on the dates of 8, 9 and 10 ये तीनों दिनों में और एक बार maximum temperature is going to be higher than normal, even up to 4 to 5 degrees Celsius higher than normal. So on 8th of March, on 8th of March, IMD issued a heat wave warning for North and South Goa district on isolated pockets. Heat wave warning was issued for 8th of March and 9th of March. If you see the maximum temperatures that were recorded at Panji in the past 48 hours, on the evening of 7th March को maximum temperature report किया गया 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 8 मार्च के आफ्टरनून को मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर रिपोर्ट किया गया पणजी के ऊपर 38.4 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो ये दोनों टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल से 4 से 6 डिग्री तक ज्यादा है एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली नॉट ए रेगुलर फिनोमेना। दिस कैन समटाइम्स अफेक्ट द पीपल हु आर क्रोनिकली इल और पीपल हु आर वीक विद देयर हेल्थ। तो ये सबको मद्देनजर देखते हुए और ये इंक्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर को देखते हुए IMD ने हीट वेव वार्निंग इशू किया था 8 और 9th मार्च के लिए। उसके साथ साथ ये भी फोरकास्ट दिया था कि फ्रॉम 11th मार्च ऑनवर्ड्स द मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर इज गोइंग टू ग्रेजुअली फॉल 2 to 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस ग्रेजुअल फॉल हो सकता है मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर में फ्रॉम 11th मार्च ऑनवर्ड्स। और जैसे पहले ही फोरकास्ट किया था 8 to 10th के बीच में मैक्सिमम टेम्परेचर हाई रहेगा, but even on 10th the heat wave criteria may marginally not get satisfied on 10th March, but again the maximum temperature values will be high. So it is requested that the regular precautions that we usually take for hot weather should be taken, such as keeping oneself dehydrated, और अगर आप open sky में under sun आपका काम हो और if you have to work under the open skies, then please take regular breaks from your jobs. And these are the basic instructions that we have to follow while there is a hot weather or hot summer. And along with that, please follow the instructions that State Disaster Management Authority issues time to time in case of severe weather such as heat wave or hot summers. और उसके अलावा if we see the extended range forecast that was issued by IMD on today, it indicates that the maximum temperature is going to fall in the coming weeks. The scenario of heat wave that we experienced in the first few days, being precise from 1st March to around 9th March, that is having a less probability of getting repeated in the coming weeks. So it is likely that the maximum temperature is going to come down in the coming days.
सर आपको लगता है कि ये अभी कम डाउन हो रहा है कि ये जो स्कूल हॉलीडे देना या ये सही रहेगा अभी?
See, that depends on the severity that public state administration feels. We from the end of IMD we issue the warnings and we believe that the instructions or actions taken by the state government are matching with the requirements of the state, considering the entire population how it is going to affect. So on a positive side, it is always better or beneficial to take the precautions rather than any mishap happens and then starting complaining. The thing is that heat wave, yes, in 2022 also there was heat wave, and in this year 2023 also there is heat wave. But again, coming to some points that it is not something that has never happened over Goa any time before. Like in our previous discussions also, it was elaborated by IMD officials that it is quite common that in the month of February or first few weeks of March, that back-to-back above normal temperatures get reported. It has happened in the past also that temperatures of the order of 35, 36 or even up to 37 do get recorded in the first weeks of March or the last weeks of February. Only thing is that in this year the values reached quite a bit higher, like 37.8 or 37 point, even up to 38. Now to add to that, this same scenario, almost the same scenario or even worse scenario has happened even in the year of 2013, that is 10 years back, when in the first 7 to 8 days of March, they were continuously back-to-back 37 degrees kept on getting reported as maximum temperature from Panji. So the entire point here is, it will be not correct if we say that all of the sudden temperature started to rise. Yes, temperature rise on a gradual scale, it is there, as we all know that gradually the surface temperature or ocean temperature is gradually increasing as part of a large global scale climate change. But apart from keeping that on one side, it will be totally wrong to say that it's all of a sudden that Goa is experiencing these 37 degrees or 36 degrees. It has happened in the past also.
What is the maximum temperature
This year, this year.
अगर आप एक पूरे साल का देखेंगे, if you look at the entire calendar month, the highest temperature ever recorded at Panji was around 39.8 degrees Celsius. That was in the month of April, and it was, if I'm right, it was in the year of around 1970s or so. And apart from that, even if you take this 38.4 degrees Celsius that was recorded yesterday at Panji, even that doesn't come anywhere in the first three values, even for March alone. So there has been higher temperatures in the past also, and only thing is that in this year, unfortunately, this higher number of maximum temperature kept on repeating on a larger number of days.